Hi, I'm Jenna Neal, and today I wanted to talk about one of the bags that I've been using. So I'm usually a really big fan of the straps and the backpack straps and the things that hold all of my crazy. However, right now I can't really leave the house, and so when I do leave the house, it's a quick run and grab and go. And so I've been finding and repurposing a lot of my smaller bags. So this right here is the Fawn Design Mini Tote. Love this bag. So this bag is the matte vegan leather. They do have the pebble leather in the fawn. If you can see the mini fawn behind me, it is pebble leather. So this one is a little bit different because it's that smooth, elegant matte leather. Love it. I cannot wait for them to change their other line into this because I love it. It's the same and it matches the same as the Fawn Design Wallet. So if you have the wallet, or if you're thinking about the wallet, these two go together really well. However, I don't have the wallet in here right now because going to the store just to pick up my groceries for the drop off in my trunk, I didn't feel the need to change out my wallet because I wasn't using it. So, but I wanted to go over what I have inside here and how much it holds. I accidentally purchased this bag. So I went on the site and I was so excited. It's in the matte vegan leather, it's black. I put it in the cart, and then when I got it, I was shocked that it's so tiny. It's a mini. I didn't realize that it was mini. I thought it was a large. I thought it would have my laptop. I accidentally bought the mini and not the large, but I loved it so much I couldn't return it. So I have another small handbag. It does come with a strap, and I will show you what it looks like on the body. It does come with a really long strap. However, I don't wear this with this because I'm 5'9", and so I have really long legs, and I have it I usually have it at the tightest length, and it's not me. So I use this as a grab bag. I use this as a handbag. You can see that it doesn't go on my shoulder, but it does go on the crook of my arm. So I love this bag. The two handles, and as you can see, the inside, this is the front, this is the back, and then it does have no feet, but it's pretty sturdy. Beautiful, beautiful, elegant. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and we're gonna look at the inside of the bag. Here we have the Fawn Mini Tote with the Fawn Wallet. So just to get a close-up of the wallet, here's the Fawn Design Wallet, the same. You can see how smooth that is, the same vegan leather. It has a zipper on the back where you can put your coins. And then they just run so smooth. And the inside, so for your identification, for some cash, they have multiple pockets, and then they have for the cards. So this is more of like a thick canvas nylon inside, but I love this. This works well when you don't need to carry everything. It works really well when you don't need to carry everything, so all your cards, and it fits perfectly inside the tote. Okay, but again, because we were just going to the store to do a pickup of groceries, I didn't feel the need to have to change out my wallet. So I always carry my sunglasses with me. I'm supposed to actually wear these. I got this case for like $2 at TJ Maxx, but actually love it. So I have my sunglasses, love it. And then I carry the Jujube set piece, the small. I have all my crazy. I always carry eye drops if you can't tell. And today, oh my gosh, it's like a sandstorm going on out there, so definitely needed this. I also have another Jujube set piece, so I take my kids with me. I always have Band-Aids, I always have vitamins, lip chap, and then doTERRA, and there's some nail clippers in there as well. These are amazing. I love the small Jujube set pieces. I wish they sold them individually because I would buy mostly just these. So if you can see down in a close-up of the inside. All right, So I have Kleenex, especially when it's windy. My daughter gets bloody noses, so we always have Kleenex with us. The leash, so I love this feature about this bag. It has a really long leash for my keys, and the best part about this one that I haven't seen on most of the other bags that have a leash, this one comes off. So I can detach it right here. I can take it off. There's the D-rings inside. I can take it off, or I can leave it, or I can hook it twice to make it smaller. But I have my keys. Love the keychain too. I got it on Modern and Chic website. I always carry these with me. I'm hoping that if we run out, we're still available. And then of course the hand sanitizer. And then I have the Harry Potter mask. I love these. Quidditch. I love these. Oh my gosh. Especially for how much my kids have been reciting Harry Potter lately. This one is Ravenclaw as well. Love it, love it, love it, love these. So this is the wallet I'm currently using. I love it. I have my ID in there, so I'm not going to open it, but it is a little bit larger than the Fawn Wallet, so it does fit in there, but I like how sleek and minimal the outside is, and if I just wanted to carry my wallet, I could. But if you can see the length, it does fit in the bag standing up as well, or vertical. And then I have a lone, I swear this is the stuff to have. I live by this stuff. There's a zipper pocket on the side. It's just a nice bucket bag. There isn't really a pocket here for my cell phone, but if you can see, again, her style, the inside is just as nice as the outside. I love, love, love that about the Fawn Design brand. And then also that I love about it, so if I was wearing this crossbody, I would have it zipped. And so you can zip it. I'm not a fan of the bags that have the items sticking out, so I always tuck the zipper in, and there you go, it's zipped. And so now for the crossbody. I think I had it longer because it was hanging on my wall. I am going to make it the shortest distance. Now, one of the things I don't like about long straps is because I always wear them on the shortest number, and well, this kind of loose. So I wish there was a connector for that, like this one that just held this in place. So it is a really good length. It does come with a really nice clasp, and we just connect those to the nice fancy D-rings in the corners, and there you go, you have a crossbody as well. Now what I like about this bag a lot and her style is that for the totes, she has the hardware hidden. So if I wanted to use my long crossbody strap for the original or the mini in the black, I could, because the gold would not be seen with this. So I really like that feature. I do utilize that with the large gray tote I have, but I don't really use this bag as a crossbody. So now I will show you what it looks like on the body. Fawn Design Mini Tote, love it. Gorgeous mini handbag, love it. So I normally wear it as a grab. Hi, I'm Jen and Neil, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me. And if you would kindly subscribe, it's free. Thank you for watching. I look forward to our next video. Yay. Okay. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, if this is gonna work. I think this is gonna work. We're gonna make it work. Love it. Love it. Hold on. Okay, all these cool features and I can't, maybe I'm not crooked. Maybe I'm crooked. So I'm Jenna Neal and I really appreciate you taking, do over. Okay. Noob. If you like this video, oh my god. Okay. Hi, I'm Jenna Neal and I have recently started a vlog. I know, crazy. How do you vlog about bags? I know, it's actually working, maybe-ish, sorta. But check it out, JM Neal Vlogs. If you're interested in some weird and the crazy that goes on in my life. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.